Okay, good morning. Today is about April 6. I'm here with Cha, no? Minerva. So again, naghan kini siya case, no? So, obesity, kidney laser stone, no? Cervical cyst, blood clot, no? In the brain, accident, cyst, tapay mayuma. Again, kumutaan na siya, matangtang ba ko? Again, matangtang mga cancer cells. It's about here. It's the Arwin ergometer. So here is Arwin niya. Muna ako ang gingan niya, no? Kaya para ginis niya, no? Mao sa metabol ito. So, siya may kuha na niya. It's Arwin ergometer. Then, our management is here, no? Again, education, then hot packs and tents here. Then next one is massage, the blood pump, then the gasoline of the muscles. Then the next one is the Arwin ergometer. This is the cardio na. Muna atong giuna ron siya ang cardio. Again, ang cardio atong giuna kay para makuha gid iya arteries, no. Then the heart, no. Again, to test the heart, dili boxing, no. They here, basketball, dili volleyball, dili football, no. Again, dili billiards here. Again, duhara gid ang stationary bike, treadmill. American, in London, stationary bike, and treadmill. Again, na mga complications, so atong ipabasa siya, kung di siya mag-exercise, mo ni ma-happen yan, no? Again, karon sa about 5 minutes siya, mag-Arwin ergometer, siya 11:04, so 11:09 tamahuman, no? Again, start siya. Again, ang BP, no, before, kaya gikuha na ito sa taas, no? 222, 123, 78 ang pulse rate. Again, this is our third treatment session. Thank you.